How to fix share printer not connecting. The operation failed with error 0x00000775, error in Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix this problem, then the first thing you need to do is open up your registry editor. Search for registry editor, go with yes, and this will take you to this kind of interface where you just need to simply go with HKey local machine. And once you're in the HKey local machine, you need to go with the system option. Go with system and then go with current control set and then go with control, and then you need to scroll down and search for print option. Under print, you need to click on it, and here on the right side you will have an option of RCP authent level privacy enabled. But if you don't have that option, then you just need to simply right click on it and then go with new and go with dword 32-bit value, and you need to enter the name, which is RPC auth level privacy enabled, and then hit the enter, and then double click on it and then go with the value, enter the value as 0, hit the enter, and then remove that, and your problem might be fixed. And now the second method is group policy. So simply search for group policy and then open up edit group policy. Under edit group policy, you just need to simply enlarge it. Here you need to go with Windows settings. Under Windows settings, you need to go with the security settings. Under security settings, go with local policies. And under local policies, go with security options and open up the security option. Once you're in the security option, now you need to go with the right side and find network security. Network security, and under network security, go with LAN, Manager Authentication Level. Select the option, double click on it, and then go with the drop down bar and select the second option. And once you've selected, you need to go with apply, which is on the bottom right, and then go with OK. And once you've done that, your problem will be fixed. But if that doesn't fix, then the third method is you need to again go with the group policy, go with edit group policy, enlarge that. Under that, you need to go with the administrative templates. Under administrative templates, go with the printers option. Under printers, you need to go with the right side, and here you need to find the option of limit print driver installation to administrators. Here you will have the option, simply double click on that option, and here if you have disabled that option, then make sure that it is disabled, and then go with apply and then go with OK. And once you've done that, your problem will be fixed. So these were the fixes on your printer not connecting, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.